Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Based on my experience with my YouTube channel, I know there are several things that I need to pay attention to. First and foremost is whether this is the content that the viewers want. Of course, it is also an indication of the quality of my presentation. Recently, I was telling my friend Jennifer, who is a nutritionist, that each time when I post a video on vegetable dishes, I have reduced views. She told me that is not surprising at all. She said based on her experience, most Americans have very limited experience in eating vegetables. There is a general perception that vegetable is bland and tasteless. And most people associate nutrition with food that is not interesting. And unfortunately, vegetable falls into that category. She told me that she used to not like vegetable herself. She told me that when she was a kid, she used to throw vegetable on the floor while her parents were not looking. She would then go pick up the vegetable under the table after dinner is over. Partly because her parents always forced she and her sibling to eat vegetables. And she confessed that she hates vegetables because her mother really did not know how to cook vegetables. She told me that it took her a number of years to overcome that. Even then, she only comes to love vegetables after she adopted my fast cooking system. She said the fast cooking system is ideal for people to cook as well as to eat more vegetables. With advanced prepping and stir frying, it is very easy to create vegetable medleys with many different kinds of vegetables in a single dish. She said that is absolutely the key for people to eat more vegetables. Because variety is the key to great culinary experience. And by using stir-frying technique, you can cook the vegetable just right to bring out their natural flavor and perfect texture. And when you combine it with the right seasoning, a vegetable actually are more tasty than meat. This is the reason that once people develop a taste for vegetable, they can go on become a vegetarian and skip meat completely. She told me that the situation in America is dire. As a nutritionist, she sees this happen in front of her eyes all the time. She said the dietary problem of most of her clients is because they do not eat enough vegetables. She told me the story of one of her patients. He is a 35-year-old male and he is obese. He had a heart attack even at this relatively young age. He is a diabetic and he has hypertension as well as high cholesterol. And he ate a diet of mainly fast and processed food. In fact, he never touched vegetables. For example, when he eats a cheeseburger, he will refuse any vegetables on the burger. Jennifer said that he has tried many diets in the past. He would stop eating the food that he normally eats without eating any replacement food, and the diet inevitably failed because he would always go hungry. When he came to Jennifer to seek help, Jennifer instructed him to convert to a vegetable-based diet. The advantage of a vegetable-based diet is that he will still have the bulk of the food that will approximate what he would normally consume, but with far less calories. Jennifer told me that telling what the patients need to eat is where normally a nutritionist stops. And the patient is left to figure it out on their own. She told me that she actually took a page out of my book in how I teach my cooking classes. Jennifer told me that when she attended my cooking class, she was able to cook the food herself and then she was able to taste them. With this hands-on experience, she realized that how simple cooking such type of meals could be. Consequently, this gave her the confidence that she could do it in her own kitchen. Jennifer has always been a cook, but with my class, this gave her an idea how she could introduce vegetables to her patients. Consequently, she set up a small kitchen in her clinic that she could provide cooking classes for her patients. She said the biggest problem is that most people in this country never have actually tasted vegetables that cook well. Most vegetable dishes get second billing in a meal. They are often considered as a supplement or a side dish. Consequently, most vegetable dishes has only 1 or 2 ingredients. And if you don't like those ingredients, then you are out of luck. Jennifer told me that my fast cooking system is designed actually perfectly for cooking and eating more vegetables. With advanced prepping, anytime when you cook a vegetable dish, you have many different options to choose from. With template-based cooking, you can create many different vegetable dishes without the need of recipes. And with flavor chasing, everybody can customize their vegetable dishes to create the type of combination that they enjoy most. She said ever since she started this cooking class demonstration in her clinic, she made great progress with her patients. Many of them start to adopt the fast cooking system and give them an entirely new perspective of cooking and eating vegetables. Jennifer's story was a great encouragement for me. I realized that I'm on the right track to achieve my goal for helping Americans to eat more vegetables. I should not be disappointed by the low number of views of my vegetable dish videos. Jennifer told me that this is very important that I keep doing what I have done so far, because my cooking system, as far as from her experience, has been very effective in helping people to eat more vegetables. Yes, I will keep posting video every day to help people to learn more about my fast cooking system, which is flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to learn more, as well as to adopt my cooking system. Thank you for watching. I will see you tomorrow.